Example, under the number rows you want to print like 10. So the output. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. So today I'm gonna share you, I want to teach you how to create a program by using looping statements. For the first video, I am create a Java program that will display a 10-layer pyramid by using a looping statement. And the second video, how to create a Java program that will display a reverse 10-layer pyramid by using a looping statement. And the third video, how to create a Java program that will merge both first and second, first and second in a diamond format. So the first, okay, so let's start to the first video. So I am using Eclipse IDE. So if you want to use this application, you can download to their website, and if you want to put the theme, download the theme. So okay, so for the first video, the first code, we need to import Java utility scanner. So import Java.util.scanner. Okay, so then the next, public plus main. This is your name of your file. Name of main. You need to save this main. Okay. Closing. And public. Static. Void. Main. String. Charge. So that's okay. So next, oops, okay. So we need to put closing. Oops. Okay, so now we need to put int row. The variable, like example like j and p or j and space 1. Okay, then system of the frame. Oops. Okay. Then oops. Okay, then put inside input. So we need to create an input like enter enter the number of rows you want to print. Okay, and the next one is scanner. Scanner, can see new scanner system that in okay, then rows equal next int for okay, so now we need to put here the variable like j okay, j equal 1 j rows and j plus plus. Okay, space. And next for P one okay, space plus plus. And next system system dot out dot print and space. So okay, and next one is space okay, and for m equal 1 and 2 and plus plus. Okay, so next the next one is system up dot run okay, then and the last one system out dot run annotation. So Oops, what's wrong? Why? It's not P. Okay. So guys, make sure your codes correct. Okay. So that's all. Now let's take the program. Okay, now we can try. Okay, like okay. Oops, we lang. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Okay. So example, under the number rows you want to print like 10. So the output display 10 rows, and then if you want to put in like 20 rows, so that's rows, 20 rows. If you want enter the number rows 20, and then if you want to try 50, wow, that's so big pyramid. You see that? Haha. Okay, so that's all guys. So for the next video, the reverse pyramid, just follow. Just if you don't subscribe, that please subscribe my YouTube tutorial, and like and comment guys if you continue our tutorial, any kind of video or tutorial. Just comment below. Okay, so thank you and good luck guys. Thank you for watching.